Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to send Instagram schedule message on Android. If you are using Instagram and you want to send scheduled message, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your Instagram app, open it, and here just tap on message icon to open your chats. And here just select the person, and then you just have to enter your message which you want to send. And then I'm going to send, let's see, this one. Just enter your message, then tap on the send icon. You must have to press and hold on it. It will open this type menu. You just have to select date and time from here which one you want to send message. As I'm going to enter, let's see, this one. You just have to enter date and time, then tap on send today at, or select date if you want to change that. And after doing that, you must have to tap on the send option. So in this way, you can easily send Instagram scheduled message on your Android phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.